Alright guys, welcome back to 𝖩 Gaming, and today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can restore iCloud backup data directly back into your iPhone. And this can be due to several reasons. It's either you cannot restore it from your iPhone directly or your iPad directly, or there's something wrong with your iPhone or running out of space, all this and that, and you have to do it manually. And today I'm going to show you the easiest and the fastest way and steps to do so and directly load the data back into your iPhone. Alright, so how am I going to do that? Well, it is with the help of this software right here. So this is the Wondershare Dr.Fone data recovery, and this is one of the best and most comprehensive data recovery software that you guys can use to recover your data from your iPhone and even your Android phone as well. Alright, and it has so many features that it can do, but today our main focus will be recovering from the iCloud backup. Alright, but this is one of the most things that you guys can do, alright, for the data recovery. So you're using this for like any other data recovery, alright, you guys can also use it. As you guys can see right behind me, there's so many different ways, alright, that you guys can use it to recover different data because of several different issues right behind me. So you guys can do a lot of things with it, but today I'm going to show you guys the software itself and show you what it can do and how to recover from the iCloud backup, and after that restoring it back into your iPhone. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself so you guys can see what are the functionality and features it has. So what's behind me is I've selected data recovery for iOS, alright, and yeah, you guys can see you can recover all kinds of different data right over here. They can recover data from iOS devices, alright, personal data, recover messaging app data, WhatsApp view once data, and as well as recover data from iTunes and other backup. But today I'm going to show you one of the new features they have, which is called the recover data from iCloud backup. Alright, so you guys can access all kinds of different files, data from messaging app, from photos to your videos, and all different kind of apps. Alright, you guys can recover data from the iCloud backup. So the first thing you have to do is to sign into your iCloud account, and after that, alright, you should download the data and you guys can view them right away. So right now I'm going to show you guys how you guys can actually recover the data from your iCloud backup. So without further ado, let me just go and show you guys how to do that. Okay, so right now I just need to sign in my account, so I just key my password and just click on verifying. Alright, it should take a while, and after that it should ask me for the code or pin or 6-digit pin for my two-factor authentication. So I just have to check my phone. Alright, for that, alright, it should send a two-factor authentication to me soon. Alright, just wait a while, and here you go. Alright, so it asks for my 2FA, so I'm just keying the code I received on my device. Alright, so just click on type in the code, click on OK, and you can just wait a while and let it load. Then it should start fetching iCloud backup information. So you can still take a while. Alright, you guys can see I have a lot of different iPhones over here. You can select which iCloud that I want to download from the iPhone that I'm using. So I'm going to select the iPhone 1666, which is currently running iPhone the 17.3. Alright, and just click on downloading, and after you'll start to download from the iCloud backup files. Alright, so this generally takes me about a half an hour because I have quite a lot of data on it. So we'll just wait a while and let it download the data itself. Alright, and after once it's downloaded, we'll just wait a while more, and once it's downloaded, you guys can see all the things that is inside my iPhone. You guys can see my camera roll, there's contacts, there's voicemail, there's notes attachment, calendar, voice memos, alright, app photos, app videos, all this and that. As you guys can see, every single camera, all the pictures, I have it, all the contacts, all the notes, alright, I have. You guys can see Safari bookmark, voice memo, app photos, everything is all there. You guys can see even the chat history for WhatsApp, all these everything is there. Alright, you guys can have WhatsApp attachment, line, I have it as well. You guys can see all the chats, you can preview them as well, which is really, really amazing. And afterwards, I can just restore all of them back to my iPhone. So this is that simple. So you can select specific files, videos, or anything you want and just restore them back to your iPhone directly. So as you guys have seen, right, recovering your data from iCloud backup is so simple and so straightforward, and you guys can even download it to your computer to save as a secondary or even like a permanent backup if you want to, if you have like really important files or videos, or you guys can do that as well using this software right here. So yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and restore your iCloud backup data and download it to your PC or restore it directly back to your iPhone, you guys can check out this Wondershare Dr.Fone, and you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this really amazing data recovery software for yourself right now. And they do comes with a lot of other features as well. So if you are using this to recover any other data directly from phone, from SD card, or like from Android, all this and that, you can also use this Wondershare Dr.Fone software to help you with any of the issues of data recovery issues that you're facing with your phone itself. So once again, check out this. All right, Wondershare Dr.Fone. You guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this amazing software for yourself right now and start recovering your data right away. So that's all for today, guys. Find today's video really interesting and really helpful. Do let me know in the comment section as well, and do give it a thumbs up. And yeah, that's all for today, guys. And this is 𝖩forcegaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.